What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevin TV, your positive culture channel. Today we're back at Rap Legacy, dude. Got my homie Jonathan back there and his little helper. Yeah, we got my homie Jonathan, Rap Legacy out here, and we're finally doing some TLC, much needed work on the Genesis Coupe. So today we're gonna be removing my old faded, just really nasty looking tint. He already pulled it off or whatever, but you guys don't want to see the tint. You gotta check out one of the old videos. It looks ugly anyway, so he already pulled it off. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the next step, and that's basically applying some solution to get rid of the glue that's on there, dude, because I had the tint on my freaking taillights for years, dude. You guys, I tinted it back when I first got the car. But yeah, and then we're actually gonna be buffing out the wing. We're gonna show you that and everything like that. So let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. So yeah, it's looking a little different. All that old glue.
Hey, somebody convinced him that it looked tighter like this.
Yeah. So yeah, took off the tint. We're gonna remove the glue, obviously, and then redo it. And
this is the new shatter look.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Look right there.
Oh, it's sticky. But yeah. Oh yeah, and the wing, of course. So let's get started with it. All right, so what kind of solution is that you're spraying on, brother?
This is that. Take the glue off with the lens.
That solution. I think it's like kind of like a Goo Gone type of solution, or whatever.
It's a little bit more aggressive than Goo Gone.
Oh, okay.
But with that, I gotta come back and wipe the paint off real quick.
Yeah. But yeah, so basically to get the glue off or whatever, I had some Goo Gone. It kind of works, whatever, but you know, he has something that's a little bit better, so yeah.
Yeah, it still needs more spray.
That stuff comes off pretty fast with the solution you use. I only had it on for like less than 5 minutes.
I know, sometimes you can't leave it on the paint because
yeah,
this thing will eat your paint up quick.
Yeah. All that glue.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's an update. Basically got most of the glue off, still working on it. Spraying solution, scraping it off. Yeah. Little by little. There's like 3 years worth of freaking glue, 3.5. Yeah, do not let your freaking tint sit for that long, dude. Yeah, it was long overdue. So now we're doing with that soapy water or whatever.
Yeah, it's just already bring it all down.
Yeah. Get all the extra solution off. Even though I washed the car this morning, I'll wash it again. It's fine. Nah, it's all worth it, bro. It's all worth it. Get this thing looking right and nice in the back. And yeah, we're putting a clay bar to it.
What? I'm going. Yeah, the clay bar takes off all of like the excess glue and the little part that was all crusty up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Good to know, people.
Hold on.
Alright, so next we're gonna be buffing out this ugly thing right here. Look at that. Give you guys one last close-up before he does his magic.
I'm gonna try.
I know it's a lot of work, dude. Do what we can, dude. Let's see, we do what we can. So yeah, we got his stuff ready. Get you guys up on this tripod. We got our helper right here. We're good. Trash can's that way. Step one, give you guys out on the light. compound we're gonna be using. And then step 2, bang, swirl remover mirror glaze. Yep, let's get started. So we're going to start off. So we're only in the first stage of the process. It's already looking a little bit better than it was before. Actually has a shine again. Got some more of the shine back. But yeah, it's only the beginning. So now we're doing polish. Bring out that shine. Sheesh, that was brand new, man. Look at that. Dude. It ain't even, man. It's like when I first got it. Jeez.
That's gonna be like the nicest part of the car.
This one got jokes, man. I showed off with pride, man. Nice handiwork. I love it, man. This guy was excited to actually hit this. He was like, oh yeah. You made it look easy though.
Nah, it's just more of a showing people that when they have oxidated parts and they try to go to body shops and they try to charge them an arm and a leg to restore some of these things,
yeah,
you can actually just do it at home.
Yeah,
you know,
awesome.
Sometimes body shops ain't never gonna tell you because it's money, you know. But
exactly. This guy hooked it up.
Shit, fucking fresh.
That was nice.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna go to the store and bring me a cerveza.
Why?
Stop asking. You don't ask why. You just get ready to do.
Why? Miami?
Uh-huh. Shiny.
Oh, dang.
Giving your paint shiny.
Almost makes me not want to tint them. I'm like, they look so good. Look like jewelry. Bling bling. Alright, so taillights are all buffed out. Look at that. Look at the shine. We ready for tint now. Nice clean surface.
Alright, let it go. Told you, fool.
I'll make that look easy when y'all did that stretch, man. All right, yo, so we've already applied it. I didn't say nothing during the clip. I was letting these guys focus and do their thing. But basically what they did was they did a wet application on just the taillight itself, but not the material, just to eliminate the possibility of having a bunch of bubbles pop up from too much moisture or whatever. So they're drying right now. We let it dry and everything like that. Let the water evaporate, and then we're gonna trim around and tuck everything, and we'll be good to go. They are really dark, dude, but I'm cool with it, man. I like the look. It's gonna be completely blacked out, which is, I'm cool with that. So another piece of the puzzle to the Batmobile will be complete. So we're going to wrap it up and watch them trim around the edges and wrap up the video. Yeah, that's way better than that other stuff.
Oh, then a fucking Laminex or whatever?
Yeah. I'll check it out. So we're trying up some stuff. Wipe down the car. Man, that's dark. But I like it though. Alright, y'all, so all done. Dark as hell, but that's cool. That's why I like it. We're gonna pull it out in the sun, let the sun hit it, and then turn the car on, see what they look like. Brake lights on, but god dang, they like match the paint, dude. It matches the paint. Like if I like kind of just stand right here, it's kind of hard to see the difference between the taillight and the paint, dude. I like it though. That looks good. Or see what they look like in the sun. My boy Jonathan, he probably can't even fit in my seat. Oh, see, it still look good. You can still see that brake light clearly. Oh yeah, we good, man. We good. It's not too dark. You feel me? But when I let off the brakes, it's all blacked out. I like it, man. Sheesh. All right, thanks, homie. And of course, this beautiful piece that my homie Jonathan hooked up. This craftsmanship, cleaned it up. Y'all saw it before, like Jesus Christ, man. Night and day difference. So another piece of the car complete, man. Thanks again, brother.
Oh, you already
appreciate it, man.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir. All right, you guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I had a good time over here at Rap Legacy, chilling with the homies, man. Shout out to the homie Jonathan. Really hooked it up, man. This guy is fun to hang around with, dude. Goofball, man. I'm looking at him right now, dude. Hey. He took a giant L, man. You took an L. Always taking L's, bro. Look at that. Yeah, he wanted to be part of the outro, so that's what you get, man. You get to take an L. But yeah, man, thanks again for hooking it up on the wing. He did an awesome job buffing and getting everything done right. Shout out to Kevin for hooking it up on the taillights, man. They look awesome. They're really dark, but I'm cool with it. I love the way the tail end of the Batmobile looks, man, and everything like that. So make sure you follow Rap Legacy on Instagram. Hit them up for a quote if you want to get some work done. If you guys want to get a full wrap, dude, these are the guys, man. So gonna be working with them more often. Don't trip. I'm gonna be back at the shop getting more work whenever I can, whenever we can get our schedules lined up and everything like that, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. Just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.